I'd like to talk about the link system now. This is a very unique feature that we offer at GreenPro Solutions. It's designed to maximize the flexibility and use that you can make of every component on the truck. There are actually two separate manifolds. This particular smaller manifold operates from the 20 gallon per minute pump. This larger manifold operates from the 60 gallon per minute pump. And as you see them, they are separate manifolds. However, I can open a special link valve or group of valves, one on the suction manifold, one on the return manifold, and now I've actually connected these two manifolds together so that now the power takeoff driven pump can operate any tank on the truck, or the 20 gallon per minute pump can operate any tank on the truck. When I close these two, now I've separated those two manifolds again, which gives you the option of sending out two people on a particular job. One to do root feeding, one to do tree spraying, or however you'd like to do it. But if you want to maximize or have other flexibility options to make the best possible use of this truck on a particular property that you're going to on, probably a large property where you could have two people working efficiently for a half a day or so, this truck gives you the option of doing that. Efficiency and flexibility and profitability.